Hello everyone. Today we discuss some problems on real analysis related to mapping theory. So let us start the problems. Our first problem here, y be a set and let h such that y to y be a strictly increasing function. The total number of functions g such that y to y satisfying the following condition. Okay. So you need to find the number of such functions g. There are 4 options. So let us discuss the solution. Here first we define the definition of increasing function. So a function f is increasing on an interval if for any two numbers x1 and x2 in that interval, x1 less than x2 if implies your fx1 less than fx2, then the function is increasing. Okay, that means the inequality remains same. Next, there are 2 properties. First one, if g such that a to b be a function, then the number of such functions will be cardinality b to the power cardinality a. And second, the number of increasing function from a to b will be cardinality b choose cardinality a, if obviously cardinality b greater equal to cardinality a and 0 otherwise. Okay. So using these 2 property we try to solve the problem. Here h is a strictly increasing function from y to y. So the number of such increasing functions from y to y will be 100 choose 100, that is 1. Okay. So the only possibility of choosing such h is the identity function. So use the identity function concept in the equation number 1, that will give you gj equal to gj, that holds for every j belongs to y. So this is always true. Then we need to find the number of such g, that will be cardinality y whole to the power cardinality y, that is 100 to the power 100. So option 3 be the correct option. Okay. So this is the answer. And next our problem, here n be a set of natural numbers, and which of the following functions from n cross n to n are injective. Okay. So again there are 4 options and we need to check the injectivity for each of the following cases. Okay. Now a function f from a to b is said to be injective if for any 2 points x1 and x2 from a, if your fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2, that means the function is injective. Or there is another way to check the injectivity, that is if you choose to a distinct point from the set A, that means x1 not equal to x2 if implies your fx1 not equal to fx2, that also describe the injectivity. Okay. So now our first function, that is f1 m comma n equal to 2 to the power m into 3 to the power n. Okay. Now use the definition, that is f1 m1 n1 equal to f1 m2 comma n2, that is equal to 2 to the power m1 minus m2 equal to 3 to the power n2 minus n1. And this is possible only if your m1 equal to m2 and n1 equal to n2. That means your m1 comma n1 equal to m2 comma n2. So the original function is injective. Okay. Our next problem that is f2 m comma n, that is mn plus m plus n. Okay. So look at the function very carefully. If you just interchange the m and n, okay, that will give you the same functional value. So that means you will find two distinct points. For those points the functional value remains same. So that means the function is not injective. So f to mn is not injective. Our next function, that is f3 m comma n, that is m square plus n cube. So f3 m1 comma n1 equal to f3 m2 comma n2, that gives m1 square plus n1 cube equal to m2 square plus n2 cube. So just consider these 2 points. Okay, one is 4 comma 1 and another one is 3 comma 2. If you put these 2 points in the original function f3mn, that will give you same image, that is 17. 4 square plus 1 cube, that means 17, and 3 square plus 2 cube, that also 17. So the function f3m comma n is not injective. Okay. Our next function, that is f4 m comma n, that is m square into n cube. So again consider the definition f4 m1 comma n1 equal to f4 m2 comma n2. That implies your m1 square into n1 cube equal to m2 square into n2 cube. So again we can find two different points, that is 1 comma k square and k cube comma 1 for any k belongs to natural number. Okay, so that will give you same image point, that is k to the power 6. So f4 m comma n is not injective. Hence only option 1, that is f1 mn, is injective function and all the others are not injective. Okay, so okay, thank you all. If you have any doubt, so please clarify in the comment section. Thank you.